Welcome students. Now we are going to see how ionic bond is formed. Ionic bond is formed between metals and non-metals. This bond is also known as electrovalent bond, which is formed by transfer of electron. Let us see one example. Sodium atomic number is 11. Electronic configuration is 281. That means in last shell one electron is present. Then next is chlorine, atomic number is 17. Then electronic configuration is 287. That means in valence shell there are 7 electrons. Now sodium atom will lose 1 electron. Sodium is metal. Metallic atom will lose 1 electron and chlorine atom will gain 1 electron. See the transfer of electron from sodium to chlorine. Then new electronic configuration of sodium is Na plus and Cl minus. Na plus is formed by loss of electron while Cl minus is formed by gain of electron. These two equal and oppositely charged ions combine together to form neutral NaCl.